Wena kandaba bantu besizwe umkhulu kokuvula futhi njalo lokho ngiqhubekile nginane emoyeni mina nani ngeke sihlukane sohlala sifundisene nje ngezinto ningadideki nje abantu banijwayele ngicele kulezi zinto zengwe kodwa kuzokuba yiso sonke isikhathi nginjalo. Ngizothanda ukunifundisa ngomuthi wakakhokovulo enhlanganisele bezwa ukuthi cishulaka. Ake usho uwedwa lapha ekhaya ngenhliziyo nje noma uhleba nje uhebeza ukuthi cishulaka. Ucishulaka kumuthi siuphekayo kodwa uhlangane nezihlahla namafutha futhanyana ezilwani ngokwenzo kwakwenziwa ngabokhokho bethu inzululwazi ezishiyele mina lolu lwazi. Kunomuntu ohlala esahleli nje zimsuke sokufanele aphendule lokho sokufanele alwe sokufanele ingxabano engazibizanga ziyamlanda. Yingoba kunalolu laka lwalemimoya ngabe ulaka lwamadlozi kungabe ulaka lwabathakathi kungabe ulaka lwani kodwa lo muthi sibiza ukuthi cishulaka. Niyangizwa madoda abazalwane? Kumuthi oshiswayo umuntu wenza amalahle ushise kushunqe bese ukhuluma nabantu abadala amadlozi wakho ubakhalima down uphinde uxolise la ongakucabanga ukuthi wone khona. Cishulaka ukuthi usebenza kanjani ngizochaza uya-odwa lo muthi ngawu-oda nala kakhokovula siyawuthumela nangamaposi. I'm here, ladies and gentlemen, introducing a formula, a mixture of our African medicine formulated by Kokovula myself, which stands for calming down the harshnesses and the angers and the heat of anger of our ancestor spirits when they are complaining about certain things. These spirits, they come with omens, which are the signs whereby you might find yourself having an accident, a road accident that did not kill you, you are attacked by the people, the things just come to you, you are started by the people, they start with you, they want to fight you, they lie about you, they hate you, they get angry at you, everything comes to you, every negative thing that troubles the heart is your home. So now, in order to remove all these things and this omen, it is only by using cishulaka. It's either uyapahla or you burn it like one is burning impepho, and then you evoke and invoke your spirits, get them to accommodate your requests, get them to understand and make them see that there is anger, there is harshness, your life is troubled, so that they calm down. Will it be harshnesses of the witches, bad spirits, the ancestor spirits themselves, God, whatsoever? But what is important, we have to calm down any harshnesses that distort our lives or that bring us into sorrows and hardships and heart pain and all that stuff. So cishulaka come in place. Just say cishulaka. There your place. Cishulaka. That's the name of umuti. You get it at Kokovula. The number for ordering this medicine +27, which is South Africa, 7303733093. +27, which is South Africa code, 638111178. And I forgot to tell you that Cishulaka goes with other Kokovula spiritual products to achieve certain goals. We have got some certain combinations which form some certain ritual to achieve certain goals. Thank you.